Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to play custom game on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click the custom game like this. Okay, custom menu over here, and then you can play a draft pick, classic, brawl, or crescent cam like this. And over here you can join the other lobby like uh, like this. Okay, you can simply click a plus button over here, and then you can join the custom game like this, so you can play with your friends or any random player like this. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.